of health reform first said that it was a secret plot to kill old people. Then they said it was a secret plot to take away veterans' health care. Then they said it was a secret plot to take away health coverage just from Republicans. Then they said it was a secret plot to kill women with breast cancer.
A new Harvard study estimates that 45,000 people die each year because they don't have health insurance. Put another way, that's one person every 12 minutes, 5 people every hour. Yes, more people every day than are killed because of drunk driving and murder combined. Our fifth story on the countdown: how many more people will die as the minutes, hours, weeks, and possibly years tick by before this nation achieves universal health care coverage? How bad does that final Senate Finance Committee bill have to be to make it too bad to vote for?
Well, if it doesn't have a public option, it's too bad to vote for. If it continues to allow insurance companies to shift more and more of the financial burden of health care to consumers, to Americans, it's too bad to vote for. If the premiums have the appearance of being affordable, but you are making people pay so much out of their own pockets that it's just the illusion of affordability, then it's not worth voting for.
Casting around for another group of hopefully scarable Americans to try to turn against health reform, it's possible reform opponents have hit a new low this week, targeting disabled children. Republican members of Congress Trent Franks and Kathy McMorris Rogers held a press conference this week warning that kids with disabilities would somehow become victims if there is health reform. Pressed by reporters as to whether she could actually point to any language in proposed health reform bills that would deny care to disabled kids, Congresswoman Rogers said no.
You're being rude.
We're invited guests.
That's too bad.
And we're doing live
You're being
television.
rude.
You can get out of here.
Would you mind? This is about the rudest thing you could do.
We're on live with MSNBC. Please don't touch the microphone. Tell us what your thought is.
My thought is that you are rude to do this in front of the public.
Okay, even though we're credentialed press brought here to tell your story and bring it out to the world.
Security escorted at least 2 of the people harassing the reporter out of the building. It doesn't appear to have been just an MSNBC thing. A Fox News reporter was also harassed similarly by people in the audience. Reporters were invited guests that they'd been told to broadcast from that spot and that they should be treated more kindly. Did you ever wonder what it would look like if the political left in this country decided to stand up for itself? It might look pretty much exactly like this.
They've fought it in every way. Yelling, screaming, trying to defeat any real healthcare reform. And through it all, Senator Blanche Lincoln and Congressman Mike Ross have stood with the health insurance industry and their allies by trying to kill the public health insurance option, which would force insurance companies to compete. 80% of Arkansas Democrats support the public option. Why won't Senator Lincoln and Congressman Ross stand with Democrats now, or we'll find someone who will?